Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to find time. Let's look at our question. Dr. Sam wants to borrow $5,100 for home improvements. He doesn't want to pay more than $215.25 in interest. Find the longest time for which the money may be borrowed if the interest is 7% per year. So as you have learned in the previous videos, interest is principal multiplied by time multiplied by rate. Using the same formula, time is thus interest divided by P times R. Using this information, let us solve for this question. So as per our question, interest is $215.25 divided by principal in your question is 5,100 multiplied by rate, which is 7%. So in order to get rid of the percent sign, we divide by 100. So it's 0.07. So in your calculator, 5,100 multiplied by 0.07 equals to 357. Thus, 215.25 divided by 357 equals 0.60. Now the question is asking us to round this to the nearest month. In order to do that, since 1 year there are 12 months, we're going to multiply this by 12 months, which is equal to 7.23 months. So we're going to round this down to 7 months. So the answer to the question is 7 months.